A prayer for a lover, maka ihunanya gi. My heart's delight, my beloved. Today, I speak blessings over you as one who carries you in my heart. May every morning clothe you in strength and wisdom, the one needed to live a good life. As you go out and come in, may your path be smooth like water, flowing without stones hindering it. May the earth receive your footsteps kindly and support your journey. May it protect you wherever your feet may land. May all your good dreams and intentions bear fruit. May your cheek go before you always. Wherever evil plans are being woven, may neither your leg nor your name enter there. May every harmful thought directed towards you come to nothing. May good people and good fortune continually seek you out. May the universe conspire in kindness wherever you go. May accidents never see you. May calamity never learn your name. May evil hands never touch you. May you be like tomorrow, for tomorrow never truly ends. May the breath of life fill you each day. And when you lose your way, may it guide you safely back home. May people recognize the light within you. May good words accompany you. May weariness never overcome you in the middle of the day. May love, peace, and favor walk beside you when you leave home and bring you safely back in peace. May the food you eat and the water you drink become healing and strength to your body. May you always return to us safely whenever you go out and whenever you come back, for there is a heart waiting for you here. Do not forget that. May good things be yours. May all the beauty of creation bless you. May the Creator clear and prepare your path throughout your life's journey. May you remain surrounded by blessings. I have spoken these blessings over you in love. May life continually unfold its beauty before you forever.